now, I think. Are you ready to go? Is the bag done up? Cool. We got both bikes. Follow me!
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Right, let's do a commentary of my adventures. As you can see, we're powering through the Amazon rainforest currently, with no problems whatsoever at the moment, although conditions are rather extreme at the moment. As you can see, the temperatures are at minus 7,000 degrees at the moment, and only penguins and me can really survive here. So I'm just going to write to my co-host, Georgia Ward. Right, my co-host seems to be okay. We're going to continue with our adventures. That way, I think. That way. Oh, Jesus, we're having problems in these extreme conditions, you know. Seems to be rather slippery here. So, we're going to need to pick up the pace a bit. Try and avoid some of this terrible mud. Jesus! I think I might die! This is extreme! Yeah, that's my co-host, Georgia Ward, on her KTM 700. I'm just doing a bit of commentary for the audience. Right. Plow on! Oh, for fuck's sake! We need to get rid of that audio. Go over them again. My co-host seems to be in trouble as well. Where'd you come off? How'd you come off there? I guess we're both pretty much on the same boat now, because I'm limited to front brake, you're limited to back now. There's no way you're going to be able to push that in. Jesus. Your leg alright? Right. Look at that. That's meant to be the new one that bends. Jesus. Look at that. Useless. Everything's going wrong. Damn! Damn! Jesus! I think I might die!